Hi everyone, and welcome to the Thursday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com. And in this video, we will recap today's market action and discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. But first, if you want our free alerts, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'll be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord room or Telegram chat rooms. First up, guys, we just published a research report on a low-float Nasdaq Biotech penny stock trading just over $1. This week, we saw this tiny biotech announce a huge deal with the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. The stock spiked over 100% on the news, but has now pulled back, consolidated, and we think it's a great setup for our subscribers. Among the key highlights are market cap under $8 million, float under $4 million, cancer treatment drug expected to go into clinical trials this year. The company has almost $8 million in cash and no debt. Subscribers have already gotten our report. If you want our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Even if you don't want to be a subscriber, you can sign up, get the report, take a look at what we put out, and unsubscribe. It's all completely free, guys. In today's action, short squeeze names that I've been talking about on this channel had big days. SI Silvergate closed up 29%, Carvana up just 5%, Blue Apron APRN up 10%, and GTII was the only one that can close near the day up 19%. I was in Carvana and Silvergate calls. Carvana was, these halts are just killing retail. The stock, let's see here, opened at 1743. We had two halts, got the stock to 1987, ran into the resistance at $20, and then it just sold off throughout the day. Glad I banked my profits. Again, when I trade options, I'm looking for options, trading under $1. I'm looking for 5x, 10x. What I like most about options plays is I have defined risk. So, you decide what you're willing to bet. If it's $50, $100, $200, $500, $1,000, $10,000, it's up to you. It's defined risk, and then you're looking for that exponential upside. So, if you really want to grow an account, that's how you have to approach things. You have to approach it in terms of a money management perspective that, okay, if I'm risking $100, I'm looking to make $500, $1,000. That's how you're going to grow an account. If you're risking $100 to make $100, you're not going to get anywhere. You're going to get a couple losers that are going to eat into your profits. You're going to get losers. If you are trading, you have to accept that, not every trade is going to be a winner, and you're going to have to take some losses. With options, that's how I like to trade. I know my risk. I know if I lose, this is how much I'm going to lose, and I can accept that fact. So again, that's how I trade. Been doing this a long time. To each his own. Up to you guys. But again, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. And again, we got some more comments on the last video, so on specific options plays. So I will start talking more options plays and start alerting subscribers on any particular options plays that I like. Right now, I have no position. I'm out of the market. So again, You know, I know a lot of people, we send out our reports pre-market. That's when I have time to, prepare our research reports. But I don't tweet during the day. I watch some other people that say they're trading and they're in the market, but all they're doing throughout the day is tweeting. I mean, I'm watching the market. I'm trying to make money. I don't have time to be putting out tweets and updating people. I'm not running a paid subscription service. So again, these guys that are doing all this, I just shake my head and just say, either you are not trading or you're just putting out, commentary for the sake of putting out commentary. I'm too tied up with the markets to be putting out tweets. I apologize for that, guys. But the only time I have is before the bell and after the opening bell. After the close. Other than that, I'm in the markets. In terms of the overall markets today, markets continue to rally on the back after Jay Powell's press conference yesterday. Markets like what they heard yesterday. As I said in last night's video, they took it as a dovish Fed, expecting the pace of rate hikes to slow down, and overall it was just market interpreted it as bullish. There was a lot of talking heads on Bloomberg and CNBC saying that it was the market's wrong. The market's never wrong. Don't fight the market. Go with the trend. But we also got Meta earnings were good. Big spike in Meta today. Up 23%. That's an incredible move, for a $500 billion market cap company. And a lot of people were expecting more enthusiasm, better reports today from Apple, Amazon, Starbucks, Alphabet, Ford. They all disappointed. And I think tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. I think you're going to get a bull-bear battle between those wanting to book profits, shorts wanting to take the market lower, and then, it's weekly options expiration. So again, I'll be looking for some cheap plays, some cheap options under 50 cents, because at the end of the day, you get that gamma squeeze where you get a lot of traders trying to, push a stock to a particular number. So I'll be watching that. Don't fight the trend. We're going to get that squeeze into the end of the day. A lot of times in these, the market's up this week. A lot of times, on Fridays, markets like to close at the highs, or if it's in a bear market, at the lows. So again, it's very common. Fridays are big trading days. So I'm excited about tomorrow. So shall be an interesting day. Big runner of today was 339%. VINO closed up $4.17. This was a news scanner play. We got news today at 12:50. They put out the company announced their $44 million ELOC, which is an equity line of credit. The company states it now has a funding mechanism for its growth plans in 2023 and beyond. Someone was talking about on Stock Twits, how can I find these 100% runners? This is what I need for my account. Right now, it's catalyst plays. News needs to be in play. If a stock is running that no one knows what, if you don't know why, it's either a Discord room pump or stuff like that. So again, I stay away from those types of plays. You want to identify, why is this stock running? If you cannot identify the reason, stay away. Don't be in there just trying to play numbers. You're going to get bounced around. Stick with the catalyst plays. That's what's working right now. Moving on to catalyst plays, GNS. I really like what the CEO is doing, Roger James Hamilton. I was skeptical at first, but he's really getting creative here, trying to go after the naked shorts here. He's details on how our GNS $10 NFT coupon announced today will work by being on blockchain on the upstream exchange. Each shareholder can be verified, and we can issue further coupons in the future to keep naked shorts constantly on their toes. So again, he's trying to be creative here. Certainly interesting what he's doing here, and it's working. The stock is up. Don't fight the rally. Let's keep playing the catalyst, and certainly let's see if can really get this to over $10. So certainly GNS is certainly one to keep on your radar screen. Next up is RKLYQ, recent bankruptcy play on the OTC, closed up 54%. If you look at the other bankruptcy play, I've been talking about this on the channel, CORZQ, Core Scientific. It started to hit the OTC this year as a Q symbol with the bankruptcy at just opened at 4 cents. We're at 50 cents now, so this is a 10x. Certainly OTC traders love Q plays. A lot of you get the big cap funds that can't trade OTC or don't want to hold OTC on their books. They dump, and then smart OTC traders can come in and pick some cheap shares up. AIAD has been running. They put out a press release about they're implementing implementation of Chat GPT from OpenAI. Guys, I said yesterday's video, AI plays are going to be hot. One that's really been running this week is AI. This is founded by Tom Siebel, $2 billion market cap, trades on the NYSE. What's really why people really like this one, again, is Tom Siebel. He sold his company, Siebel Systems, to Oracle for $5.8 billion. This is back in 2005. He left the company, went and founded AI. The guy knows what he's doing. He's in the right space, and this one is going to be he'll do what he did with Siebel Systems and sell out. So again, this is going to be a great play. AI, I think this one this year has a lot more upside. So AI, if it's not already on your radar screen, put it on your radar screen and do your research. Next up is SIRC. This is just an example of what dilution can do to a quality company on the OTC. This has big revenues. It's a solar play out of California, but they've been diluting the crap out of it. They're also involved in a lot of litigation, but some smart OTC players that were able to pick up some cheapies, hit 0.023 this week, and we closed at 5 cents. So certainly let's see if this one can bounce back to 10 cents. This one is on our radar screen, SIRC. Lastly, guys, getting news in the after hours on Nordstrom, JWN. Brian Cohen is taking an activist stake. He urges the board shakeup. So certainly we know him from Bed Bath & Beyond, GameStop, Chewy. Guy's a billionaire. He rug pulled everyone on Bed Bath & Beyond. But again, as we said at the time, when he signaled that when he sold his entire position, we said, guys, he's a smart money. He knows what he's doing. You should get out of Bed Bath & Beyond. Again, we're not financial advisors. You should have talked to your own financial advisor. Our opinion only, but we signaled, hey, Ryan Cohen's getting out of Bed Bath & Beyond. Maybe you guys should as well. Again, he was dead on right in exiting his position in Bed Bath & Beyond. Lastly, I just want to talk one more time about Silvergate. This one is major. Silvergate and Carvana are the two most heavily shorted names on the right now. Silvergate has like 70% of the float short. Carvana, 61% of the float is short. This week we got news. State Street and BlackRock had significant stakes in Silvergate, but we're getting news after hours. U.S. prosecutors are probing Silvergate's dealings with FTX Alameda. Stock closed just under 21, but we're trading at 17 in the after hours, so going to be a volatile day for Silvergate tomorrow. And that's about it, guys. So tomorrow we got a full report. Sign up at go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or click that link in the description to get our full report on this low float tiny Nasdaq Biotech stock. We think this one is a great setup for subscribers. Again, do your own research. Our research is just opinion based. Take a look and see what we have to say, and then decide if it's right for you or talk to your financial advisor. Again, it's completely free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. Finally, guys, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is my solicitation or recommendation by seller hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Thanks for watching. Also, subscribers, remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck to all subscribers tomorrow in tomorrow's Nasdaq Biotech stock, and we'll be coming live over the weekend with a video recap and our outlook for next week. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.